So this is Rick and this is Morty, which are the two robots that we're going to be using in our summer school for to learn how to use open-rmf to control fleets of robots. And what better fleet to use than Rick and Morty? So in this summer school, what you're going to be learning are mainly three things. So first one would be to set up your own robot with autonomous navigation using ROS2. And then you're going to learn how to set up multiple of these robots using navigation 2 for ROS2. You'll have to separate them using namespaces in order for them to operate in the same environment without interfering with one another. So that's sort of the base that you'll need to have to use then open-rmf in order to use this fleet management capability. So for open-rmf, what we're going to be learning is basically the whole development pipeline, which will be how to create your schedule, a robot fleet, and how to communicate those with the robots. We'll also be learning how we can use all of the tools that the people from open-rmf have provided us. For example, the traffic editor, which allows you to set robot routes and specific tasks that you can use, and also a framework to create your own simulations just using a blueprint of your factory or wherever you want to implement this open-rmf. And last thing I would say that is very important, especially when you're working with real robots, is we're going to teach you how you configure the network for ROS2 in order for everything to communicate properly. And we're going to be using the fast DDS discovery server. So we're going to be teaching you how to do that in order for computers to communicate with each other using ROS2. So basically that's the whole package that you're going to learn on this summer school.